In this short video, I'll guide you through how to recover your TikTok account without email or phone number in just a few simple steps. If you've lost access to your account and can't reset your password because you no longer have the registered email or phone number, don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to regain access. Stick with me till the end, and you'll learn all the possible ways to get your TikTok account back. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Now let's get started on how to recover your TikTok account without an email or phone number. This is TikTok's built-in support option to help you recover your account if you can't log in because you don't have access to your email or phone number. It allows you to request assistance directly from TikTok's support team. To start, open the TikTok app and tap on Use Phone Email a username at the login screen. Instead of entering your details, select the question mark in the top right corner to open the Help section. Choose Logging in as your topic, then tap Need More Help? This will allow you to send a direct request to TikTok support. In the message, explain that you lost access to your email and phone number but need to recover your account. Make sure to include your TikTok username and a new email where TikTok can contact you. After submitting, TikTok support team should respond within 24 to 48 hours. Another way to recover your account is through TikTok's official support form. To use this option, open a web browser and search for TikTok feedback form. Click the link labeled Share Your Feedback, then fill in your username and a new email address. Under Topic, select General Account Inquiry, then choose Recover Account in the next section. In the description box, explain that you lost access to your registered email and phone number and need account recovery. Providing additional proof, such as screenshots of your TikTok profile or past login details, can speed up the recovery process. Once done, hit Submit and wait for TikTok's response. This can range from a few hours to several days, depending on the complexity of your request and the verification process. Keep an eye on your email or TikTok notifications for any updates, as TikTok may ask for additional information to confirm your identity. If you've ever logged into TikTok on another device, your saved credentials might still be accessible. On an Android device, go to Settings, then tap Google, then Password Manager, and check if your TikTok password is saved. iPhone users can check by going to Settings, then Passwords and Accounts, and tap Website and App Passwords and searching for TikTok. If your credentials are saved, simply copy and use them to log back in. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with one more method to recover your TikTok account. If you previously linked Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter to your TikTok account, you might be able to log in through them. To try this option, open TikTok, tap Continue with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and sign in with a connected account. If your TikTok account was linked, this should let you in without needing an email or phone number. These are great and easy methods to recover your TikTok account without needing an email or phone number. To explore more TikTok video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.